Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our LED license plate lights on 2004 to 2014 Ford F-150s. Let's get into it.
Our LED license plate lights for trucks and SUVs are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be significantly brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp, white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable, waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just have better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple of things to note before we get into the install. The procedure outline is for 2004 to 2014 Ford F-150s. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. Back at the rear bumper on the driver's side of the vehicle, we can see the license plate light assembly. We've got two tabs, one on each side. Depress both tabs to remove the license plate light assembly from the rear bumper. Now that the OEM license plate light is detached from the rear bumper, go ahead and twist the socket counterclockwise. Then remove your OEM bulb. Now take your Boost Auto LED license plate light and pull out the connector. These are not side specific, so it works on either side. Take the connector, plug it into the OEM socket. Either way is fine. Then insert the socket into the LED license plate assembly. Once that's done, twist clockwise. Then you have these two tabs here that will fit into the two notches on the bumper. And just go ahead and press it into place. Now go ahead and repeat the same steps on the passenger side.
That about wraps it up for the installation of our LED license plate lights on 2004 to 2014 Ford F-150s. If you're a fan of those license plate lights, head on over to boostauto.com to check out everything else we have to offer for your build today, such as these tow mirror lights or these M1 illuminated running boards. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.